This presentation will be focusing on the physical characteristics and landscape of Mumbai and Leicester. So, here are the key terms that you are going to need to know when you are looking at Mumbai and Leicester. We're going to be looking at these in more detail by looking at some maps of both India, Mumbai, Leicester and Leicester's city centre. So, let's start with India. So, Mumbai is on the west coast of India. The capital city of India is New Delhi, which you can see to the north of the country, and it's surrounded by the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. So let's focus in on Mumbai. At the top of this map, you can see where Bollywood is located on Film City Road. This is where Bollywood films are produced. Next, you can see Chhatrapati Airport, which is Mumbai's biggest airport. This is where you can travel from East Midlands and land in Chhatrapati. Here you can see the main road links throughout Mumbai, and also Dharavi slums, which is the area that you have been focusing in on. So, let's look at UK then. The arrow is pointing to the East Midlands, which is where Leicester is situated. Leicester is in Leicestershire, which is its county, and the county of Leicestershire is in the East Midlands. The Midlands because it is in the middle of the country, the East Midlands because it is on the east side of the middle counties. Also in the UK there are 4 countries: England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. Ireland is separate from the UK. So let's look at some key cities then. We have Edinburgh in Scotland, and that is the capital of Scotland. We have Manchester, and just to the west of that, Liverpool. There is Leicester, which is you can see in the centre of the country next to the East Midlands Airport. Birmingham is just southwest of Leicester. Cardiff on the south coast of Wales, and that is also the capital of Wales. Bristol and London, which is the capital of England. So let's focus in on Leicester. On this map we're looking at the main road link. So we have the M1 motorway which links London to Leeds. We also have the M69 which links Leicester to Coventry. So the M69 finishes in Coventry. You can then get onto the M6 in Coventry, which will take you to Birmingham and other cities around the country. Next you can see the A47 which goes to the coast, specifically to Great Yarmouth and other coastal locations. And obviously this arrow is pointing to the city centre where we are going to focus on next. So at the top of our map we can see the National Space Centre, which is near Abbey Park. In the city centre we have High Cross, and just underneath, on outside of the city centre, we have De Montfort University. Also, we have the University of Leicester, so both universities are located on the south side of the city. We have the train station there, just on the A6 London Road. The Curve Theatre, which is also in the city centre, and St Margaret's bus station, which is just off the A6, so again, London Road. So, remember all of the key terms below. For Mumbai, you need to know that it's located in India, in the state of Maharashtra. Also, you need to know that Dharavi slums are located in Mumbai. Mumbai is situated on the west coast of India on a peninsula. It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The main mountain ranges are the Himalayas. In Leicester, we need to know that Leicester is located in Leicestershire, which is its county, which is situated in the East Midlands. Leicester is an urban environment with tall buildings and apartment blocks in the city centre. Nearby we have Bradgate Park, the Walkers Stadium, which is the football stadium, and the Space Centre. Leicester's main travel links are the M1, M69 and St Margaret's bus station. So remember all of these key terms below for your exam.